Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Crypto Daily. In this video, I will share you the latest updates in the CEX.io. So CEX.io PowerTap provides updated airdrop section. So as you can see, here is the interface of my CEX.io PowerTap. So all I need to do is to come this section, which is airdrop. So they said that in this section, which is airdrop, they are going to provide it like a new website or new link or new Telegram mini app that it is the app that we are going to collect it, our airdrop there. So let's click on it. As you can see, here is the website, which is BCXY. So here is the BCX, which is CEXY. So all you need to do is to come and click this section, which is get start. So you have to be very fast when you are heading to this CEX, because like it's used to expire like within the 1 to 2 seconds or 10 seconds. So let's click on get it. I can get it now. So congratulations to me, I have successfully linked up my CEX, which is I am. So as you can see, here is my rank. I have a rank of 638, 209 out of 4,230 something users. So I have really improved. So improve your number in queue by inviting your friends. So this invite code, it will increase your rewards when you invite to like people, like it is like maybe increasing your reward whenever they are going to calculating the airdrop allocation. So here it is. So let's get back into our CEX.io. So if this is your first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you.